presented by the prosecution, especially that there was a pending petition of the children to the Supreme Court for the early resolution of the habeas corpus cases. In that way, if the habeas corpus case will be resolved in their favor, the court will issue. It has something to do with the present situation here. It can affect the present situation of the former president, because practically that is an order for the authority to release, to return the president to his home country.
So are you satisfied with how Attorney Kaufman presented
Yes,
all his...
yes, he was very good. He was very articulate. He was able to bring out all the arguments against the submission of the prosecution.
When you think it was an emotional appeal?
A sort of. He cannot do anything. Cannot do anything else because probably from his own the ICC. Because the problem is that we have different culture. They are not aware of the sentiment of the people in the Philippines. Unlike here, they are not emotional about the situation.
Pero yung sinabi po ni Attorney Nichols na parang gusto niyang ipa-strike out, yung sinabi ni Attorney Kaufman doon sa ending, yung mga exchange nila ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Yeah, because it's according to the prosecution, there is a prohibition under the rules of the Rome Statute.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Attorney. Kunin ko na po yung mic.
Thank you po.
Daming mga tao kasi ito ang last confirmation, last day ng confirmation din sa tungkol kay dating presidente. Yes. Reaction dun sa
Ending speech lang para sa amin lahat.
Okay.
Sabay-sabay na po kami.
Ay, sorry po. Excuse me lang, ma'am. Sorry po.
Yung ending, he was not able to attend. He was not able to.
I don't know. I do not want to pass as person, but we from the very start we questioned the jurisdiction.
No, what I need, that for the law here, you have a jurisdiction before you bring here, because it's in
I'm not
must be
arguing on
interviewed.
I'm not arguing on
Attorney, what's your reaction to the closing statement of the defense, Attorney Kaufman?
Okay naman, very good presentation of the position of the defense. Very clear that yung sinasabi niya na yung salita cannot be used. So, yung mga statement na attributed to the president, parang ginagamit na dahilan na yun daw ang pagpatay sa kanya, which is not true.
So do you think charges won't be confirmed?
Well, I hope.
What keeps you optimistic that it won't?
Who's that?
What keeps you optimistic that it won't?
Of course. Very ganda.
Ayan guys, tapos na po yung last day ng mga confirmation sa kaso niya ng dating presidente Digong. Ayan, nandito yung si attorney.
Presentation of the prosecution are mere allegation without any supporting evidence. Yun ang importante. Ang dali mo